Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing one immutable anchor, your wake time. Set it now and commit every day. Once done, work backward to set your bedtime target and build a pre-sleep routine. Make sure to remove caffeine after 2 p.m. and stop alcohol at least 4 hours before sleep. These substances shift sleep stages. Lower ambient light 60 to 90 minutes before bed and silent screens. This combination starts the biological shift. Follow it strictly for the next 3 nights to force rhythm change. Once your wake time is fixed, strengthen cues that anchor your circadian clock. You should get bright, natural light within 30 minutes of waking for 10 to 30 minutes. This signals morning to your brain. Make sure to add 20 to 30 minutes of daytime activity, ideally in the morning or early afternoon, and avoid vigorous exercise late at night. Delay or eliminate naps. If you must nap, keep it to 20 minutes and finish by 2 p.m. so sleep pressure builds properly at bedtime. You now narrow focus on consistency and troubleshooting. Keep your bedtime strict and use the same 30 to 45-minute wind-down ritual each night. This conditions your brain. If you can't fall asleep within 30 minutes, get out of bed and do a calm activity until drowsy, then return. That prevents conditioning the bed with wakefulness. Track sleep for 7 to 14 days and tweak light exposure or exercise timing if progress stalls. If problems persist, review caffeine and alcohol, timing as the key fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.